If you want your food to stay fresh way longer without spending a fortune, this vacuum sealer might surprise you. This is the LSA Apparel Food Vacuum Sealer, and for under $25, it's designed for everyday home kitchens. Pros: with a powerful 75 kPa suction, it seals food in just 10 to 15 seconds. I love how easy it is, just one-touch operation with a digital countdown, so there's no guessing. It works for both dry and wet foods, helps food stay fresh up to 7 times longer, and even includes 20 vacuum seal bags right in the box. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so it doesn't take up much counter space. Cons: on the downside, it's made of plastic and uses a semi-automatic mode, so it's not as advanced as premium models. But for the price, performance, and ease of use, this vacuum sealer is a solid choice for meal prep, reducing waste, and saving money. If you're on a budget, this one's definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech and home product reviews.